Hi, hello friends, this is Rashmi. In today's video, we are doing yet another bottle painting, and that bottle we are using as oil dispenser or vinegar dispenser bottle. So let's see how to convert this simple looking bottle with oil dispenser bottle into a designer, interesting and cute little oil dispenser bottle. So what you have to do is you just need to upcycle a bottle what you have, or you just can buy from one, like how I did. I bought it from amazon.com, 750 ml wine bottle, and also I bought this vinegar dispenser or oil dispenser spout from amazon.com. So I've taken 750 ml. You can take 750 ml or which is lighter than this, smaller than this. Not, I don't suggest the bigger one because once you pour in vinegar or oil, it will be too heavy to use. So this is the right size. Maybe you can see this cute little one. So let's see how to do. Let's get started. If you have labels in your bottle, you can soak the bottle in hot water for about 15 to 30 minutes and then scrub it off. And if still there is some glue, you can use rubbing alcohol. And for gessoing or priming, I've used an acrylic gesso from Grabbatcher brand. You can use any brand. And this is a masking tape. I'll let you know why the masking tape is being used. And I've used an old socks for applying gesso. You can use a brush, but I always prefer to use old socks. So because it adheres the paint on a slippery surface better. And here I've taken about 4 to 5 inches of masking tape and trimmed in one end and placed it right opposite to the artwork. We do this to see the level of content inside the bottle, and we'll just fold it out in one end so it helps us in peeling it off once all the paint is dried. I've given about 3 coats of gesso, and I've given at least 15 minutes of drying time between each coat. So these are the colors I've taken for background. They are very little: green, blue, yellow ochre, yellow, and a little pink. It's out of focus background or watercolor background is what I've given, because our main artwork is a puppy which is in white color. So it's always better to fade off the background. So I've used a filbert brush and a little more water than usual for the paint. So now listen to the music and enjoy your paint.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my hardcover
If you are an aspiring artist and love to watch videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel Rashmi's Vlog and click on the bell icon so you get notification on all my new uploads. And for the paintings like this, especially if you're using it as oil dispenser or vinegar dispenser, please do varnish them. So in case it gets dirty, you can wash it off with soap and water. So while varnishing, always varnish it after the painting is completely dry. Wait for at least 24 hours. So here our painting is done, and let's peel off the masking tape. Once the artwork is complete, let's insert the spout. It's very easy. Hope you had fun painting this cute little puppy, and hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye, take care.
It's so beautiful, you and me.